Most cameras nowadays are already giving you a very good quality that even your phone is shooting in 4K, and then you got action cameras that they look sharp and everything looks nice and clean. So I guess quality is not the problem anymore, but what's missing is perspective, because most cameras are gonna give you almost the exact same shot just from slightly different devices. Well, this is the DJI Osmo Nano. This is one of those few cameras where the way you shoot actually changes. This is the DJI Osmo Nano, and it's a compact wearable camera designed to capture different perspectives without needing a full setup. In this little camera, you get the 1/1.3-inch sensor, the 4K up to 60 frames per second, slow motion up to 120 frames per second, and a super wide field of view. But again, that's not really the story here, because the real focus is how you can use it. Alright guys, we got the DJI Osmo Nano, and this is basically the whole entire setup. You have the camera on top and the charging dock at the bottom / your monitor. On the right side, you're going to find the turn on and turn off button, and also it's a customizable button. And on the left side, you're going to find the USB-C port, which is going to be used to charge it and also to file transfer. Also the micro SD card. And on top on the camera, you're going to find 1, 2, and 3 microphones. So also make sure not to hold it like this or it's going to be muted. Record button on top of the camera, and this is basically it. Turn it on by just holding it for a few seconds. Detach it if you want, because it has magnetic system, so it's going to be very secured. And what makes it stand out is that it's able to unlock angles that you normally don't shoot, and that's the biggest difference, because it's magnetic and wearable, so you can shoot from perspectives that aren't natural with a phone, like the chest POV, the head POV, object mounted shots, and even creative angles like low ground or inside spaces. It just turns every moment into something more dynamic without needing a full rig.